Hello to all my beautiful people, welcome back to Drama Divas. So to those who are new to my channel, thank you so much for visiting my channel, and those who have already subscribed my channel, thank you so much for that. So I'm super duper excited for today's segment because today I'm going to share everything that I have purchased from Nykaa in recent time. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first thing I'm going to share here is this lip shade. This is the nice lip shade that I purchased from Nykaa, and this is Huda Beauty. And this is nice beautiful pink color. I'll do the swatch on my hand. This is so pigmented, it feels so light on your lips. This lipstick stays on your lips for like 3-4 hours, and it is pigmented. This is a very nice beautiful pink color. This goes very well for my skin color, so reason being I have purchased this lipstick. And after this lip shade, I'm going to share this one I have purchased, this mascara. This is Faces Canada mascara, and this is Magnet Eyes Voluminize. So this mascara is waterproof, and this is a very nice mascara. This is the second one I have purchased. I have already tried this mascara. So after this, I'm going to share this body butter. This one I have purchased from Body Shop, from Nykaa website itself, and this is nice body butter. This is so soft. This fragrance of this body butter is so good. This is British Rose, and it has amazing fragrance to it. It feels so light on your body. I mean, when you after having shower, you can just apply it on your body, and it has very nice fragrance. It stays for quite good time on your body. It stays for like 4-5 hours, which is quite a good amount of time. And this is the best fragrance they have. Apart from this, there's another one which I like. There's one with green tea, but this one is so nice. So I love this body butter. This is so nice, and this is my favorite one. So after your body butter comes my nice. This one is I always wanted to try something from the Body Works. I never tried anything from that. So this is the very first time I purchased something from Body Works, and this is a nice body mist. It has nice floral, fruity sort of fragrance, and this is Mad About You. So this fragrance is just so amazing. People who like floral and fruity sort of fragrance, they will love it. And I've tried it this is body mist, so I've tried it on my hands. It lasted for like good 4-5 hours, so it is quite long lasting as well, that I can tell you. So this is it, and after that I have got this beauty blender. So this is the most favorite thing, you need to have. So I already have one beauty blender, but I wanted to buy another one, so I got another one. And I also love the color, and this is very soft. And this is the second one. The previous one what I'm using right now is again from Nykaa itself. This is Nykaa's beauty blender. So this is nice cute one, so I love it. Okay, so what next? Okay, so this is Chambord Kajal. So this kajal first thing I want to tell you, this is smudge free. It stays on your eyelid for like good 8-9 hours, doesn't smudge at all. And this is my second purchase. If it's for a single person use, you can use it for like a good 5-6 months. This kajal, nice kajal. I just love this kajal. So apart from that, so this one I have purchased from MAC. This is my compact powder. This is in shade NC35, and this goes completely with my skin color, my skin tone. So I'm so happy with this purchase. At times when you don't feel like putting foundation, so this is the magic. You can only apply like a little bit of compact powder, and you're good to go anywhere. So so next to that is my MAC Prep Plus Prime. This primer, this can also be used as a makeup fixer. This is a very nice one. This is MAC Prep Plus Prime Original. They have got certain primers. They have got like gold and different they have got primer for this. And this is very nice primer, and this is extremely good for the oily skin. If you're oily, acne prone, this is really good for your skin. And I loved it. I'm in love with this I'm in love with this face primer. And yeah, this is very nice, and it can also be used as a makeup fixer. That's the plus point, and it keeps your makeup long lasting. I mean, your makeup stays on your face for quite a longer time when you apply this primer. So after this primer comes your body mist again. So this is Body Shop Moringa. This is my first purchase of this body mist from Body Shop. I have tried Moringa hand cream, and the fragrance was very, very nice. So I thought of trying this body mist this time. So I have purchased this one, and it has a very nice, beautiful fragrance. Very light, and this stays. This is not long lasting, guys. This stays for like 2-3 घंटे के लिए it will stay, and then after that you have to apply it again. Amazing. This has an amazing fragrance. So after this, I have purchased this foundation. This is Bobbi Brown, and this is in shade. This is again for oily skin. So I purchased, because I have oily skin, so I have purchased this foundation, and I have only applied it once, and it stayed on my face for like good 8-9 hours, and it is very lightweight. It doesn't, it stays on your face for quite a longer time, and this is it. So this is Bobbi Brown foundation. After that, I got concealer. So I've got 2 concealers. This is from Maybelline, and these are of similar shades, same shades actually. These are both golden beige that goes with my skin color. So I have purchased these 2 liquid nice concealers, because I'm a big fan of concealers. I use concealer a lot. So these 2 concealers I have purchased. So, and this one I have purchased. This is MAC. This is MAC India, and this is nice highlighter in golden shade, and this is again long lasting. It stays on your face when you apply it. It stays. It gives nice glitter to your face, nice refreshing glitter. So this is the highlighter, and I have got this thing. I have also used this one in my very first video, and this is my recent purchase from Huda Beauty. This has got Mercury Retrograde palette, and this has got nice, amazing, beautiful shades. You can try all the dramatic looks with this one. Let me just open it this for you. Just one moment. Just see the shades. I mean, Huda Beauty has first time come up with these shades. I mean, they have got all the nice, lovely shades. You can create nice dramatic looks with these shades, and this eyeshadow is very pigmented, and I have only used one shade, the purple one, in my first video, and it is very nice, and it's very pigmented, and it stays for quite a longer time. It doesn't move at all. It doesn't move at all. So this is very nice. And then I have got this concealer again. This is from Faces Canada. Again goes with my skin color, and this is very nice, and again it is long lasting. It stays on your face for quite a long time, and this is the kind of shade I have purchased. Yeah, it's not over yet. Few stuffs are still left. So again I have got the mascara. I have got this mascara, and this is from L'Oreal Paris. I have got this mascara. You have to use a good makeup remover to remove this mascara, because it is quite a challenge to remove this mascara. But yes, this is waterproof, and this is very nice mascara. So next to that, this is my second palette. I mean, the only palette I have earlier used for my this eyebrows was Voom Eyebrow palette. So I have purchased this. This is the very first time I'm going to try this palette. I haven't tried this one, but I have read good reviews about this palette. So this is Eyebrow Definer. It has got these 3 shades. So I purchased this one because of this black shade, and I can make use of this one, but these 3 shades are useful. And this is Eyebrow Definer, and let me see how it is. But I have read all good reviews. The best part about Nykaa is that you can just go in the section where you can read the comments, you can read the reviews, and then you can you decide for yourself that what is good to buy, what is not. So this had quite good ratings, so I thought of giving it a try. So this one, and this one I got for free from Nykaa. This is Bobbi Brown lip shade again. I love this color again. This is nice. Brown, I would say, nice brown color. I loved it. I will be wearing it sometime, but yeah, let's see. This I got for free, so I'm super happy for this one. So, and I got this from Benefit Cosmetics, this tinted lip balm. This is pomegranate. This again I have used in one of my videos, and this is my recent purchase. They have nice amazing colors, tinted lip balms. This keeps your lips hydrated. This stays for very long, I mean on your lips. It stays for like good 5-6 hours on your lips, and it has a nice tint to it, so in your regular days you can use it. So I loved it, so I purchased this one. So, and that's it. I purchased these all stuffs, and I'm super duper happy and excited that I have shared this with you all. And I hope you have liked and enjoyed this segment. And if you do like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do hit the bell icon so that you get the notifications. And take care. Goodbye. See you.